I'm sure you've heard the news. Dinosaurs are no longer stomping around, but how did they disappear? Millions of years ago, dinosaurs roamed the land. Then, boom! A massive asteroid crashed into Earth. The impact was huge. It created wildfires, tsunamis, and threw dust into the sky. The sky went dark, and temperatures dropped. Plants couldn't grow. And without food, dinosaurs couldn't survive. But guess what? Not all life vanished. Some small creatures survived and evolved. And that's why we're here today. Isn't that amazing? From dinos to us in 55 seconds. Want to know more? Hit that like button and subscribe.